What's up guys, welcome to City Gamers, and today we are playing Roblox Free the Facility as a noob. So this video is inspired by Netin Games, my close friend. His channel will be linked in the description down below. Please go and check him out as well. And I can prove that this is a noob alt account as I am a level 1, 0 XP got and 0 coins I've got, and a game is currently going on, so we have to wait. And the main objective of this game is to troll the beast and then escape, and I want to see the beast's reaction. That's the main objective of today's video. So I'll see you guys when the game starts. Meme this, look at chat. I put me noob because noob will come as tags in this game for some reason. So noob, I put me noob. I am not hacker. You know why I put that? Because usually people think that hackers are these bacons, because I just created this alt account and I didn't even click on the avatar button. I just straight away joined the game of Flee the Facility, and we are hacking in the main hall. We are playing in the facility map, which is my most known everything map. So let's see what happens in the future in this game. Someone failed. Oh, the beast is here already. Come here, beast. You want to get trolled? Come here, beast. So guys, today we are playing in my noob account, alt account. So I can claim that I am a pro in this game, because I have won both this video and this video in the screen right now as a beast and as a survivor against my pro friends who are also decently in a high level. Not higher than me, but that doesn't mean that you're a noob than me. It all matters about the skill, guys. So today's we are gonna be trolling the beast, as I already told you. So let's go and find another computer. So before opening the exit, we need to troll the beast like all we do. You need to troll the beast. If I was in my main account, I would just escape, because people know that we are a pro in that account. Level 80, I don't know, I think 90 now. The beast is just there. Yo, beast, why don't you come for me, bruh? Are you scared? You shouldn't be scared if you're a level what? Who's a beast? Didn't even. Oh, you're level 19, beast. Why aren't you coming? You shouldn't be scared of level 1. Guys, I am Ariel has got captured, but when his health is going down is the time I'm gonna go. Okay. I didn't finish the sentence and his health started going down. We have finished another compute. It feels like they're doing a no hacking, no rescuing challenge, because I'm the guy who's hacking everything. Are they giving the powers to the noob? Hello there. Bruh. You have to react for that beast. Mr. Beast. Come, run. Yeah, boy. Troll number 2. Yeah, go on, beast. I would say, if I was a pro, I would say this. No beast ain't beating me, bruh. You're a noob. I might have said that, but then I'm a noob in today's video, so I don't say that. No, I failed it. I'm sorry about that. I'm doing what a noob does. Okay, so we finished this computer. Last computer. Let's go. These guys are truly doing the no hacking, no rescuing challenge, because I'm the guy who hacked 3 computers and trolled the beast, rescued a person. I might just be I think I already made it to level 2 in my first game. That proves that I'm a pro, doesn't it? Usually, new people who join the game, in my main account when I first started playing this game, took me 2 days to just go to level 2. That's how hard it was. Okay, let's hack this computer. This is the last computer. Okay, I hear beast noises. Oh no. I failed it. Yo, E button. Okay, we'll start hacking it again. We need to finish this soon, guys. Oh, a guy left also. Kind of convenient for him. So there's a glitch in this game. I don't think it'll work. I think mostly it will work because 65% it works. I don't know about the rest of the percentages. So what it is if it's like find the exit and you don't escape but the beast froze you, you will get the XP. Do you understand that? I'll repeat the glitch. So it's find the exit and the beast caught you, like froze you at the last second or something. You will get the XP for escaping. That's the new glitch. It came at the Christmas update ending. Okay, this person got captured. Okay guys, I think I'm spoiling the objective. So let me go and get this guy. Because his main objective is to troll. Remember? Come! Fast! Yeah boy! That's what I call a pro gamer. Listen. Yeah, go, open it. I'll camp this place. I'm gonna camp this place. I'm gonna camp it. Okay, she opened the exit. I'm gonna troll, I guess, because I'm the last guy in the game. Should I take the risk? I don't think so. Let's just escape. I think escaping is a better troll. Hello there. Bye. Lol. So that was a success, guys. We won as a noob, as I guaranteed, and bruh, I already went to level. Oh, I got 600 XP. I'm 200 XP in level 2 already. 42 coins. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's see what he reacted. Help her. That's it. The beast literally friended me for that. I already got 2 friend requests in this game already. Since I just think I am a pro. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you're watching City Gamers. I'm City and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.